original members of TGIS, Sharon Soto, Michael Flores, and Bobby Andrews. Wow, galing.
Good afternoon!
Wala sa mga kasukas. Okay. Kuya Bob, Kuya Mike, Jara. Ano ang feeling na sumaya ulit to the tunes of yung mga sikat na songs ng 90s?
You know, this song's brought back so many memories. And this is the first time I think it's in what, 15 years.
15 years, pero walang karupas-kupas pa rin talaga. Kakaibang energy pa rin siya.
Thank you, Iñak. You should have joined us there.
I was actually dancing while watching you guys.
Sobra, nakakaiyak na nakakatanda.
Actually, alam mo, kundi lang birthday ni Direk Mark Reyes. Happy birthday, Direk Mark!
Direk Mark! Happy birthday, Direk Mark!
Ito, di ba, since good time yung tema ng Party Pilipinas yun, tingin nyo, nag-good time ba kayo ni Direk Mark?
Maraming beses.
Maraming beses.
Pero sa akin si Bob.
Sa akin, wala yung good time.
Kaya dapat next Sunday, abangan naman natin siya ang gagawa ng opening
Yes!
number.
Talaga?
Oo.
Ay, abangan ko yan. Abangan ko yan. No, thank you very much.
Eh, nakakatuwang makita kayo, of course, with the next generation ng mga babalik sa TGIS. Palampakan natin sila. Wow, ang galing! Woo! And on another note, gusto ko rin pakita sa inyo yung album cover ng babae parati ng good time sa akin. Yung Cosmo cover na is already out. Sobrang ganda, sobrang sexy. Ayan, bumili na kayo. Gumawa daw sila maraming kopya para hindi maubos. So, grab a copy now. Once again, TGIS here in Party Pilipinas.
Thank you! Thank you!